Okay, here we go. Okay, Kinder, let me show you the bird life cycle.
A mommy bird was looking for a place to build her nest.
That is the mommy bird, just like the one that we did here. Look, this is the mom and she's looking for a nest.
She finally found a plant on our porch and built it there. The first day she laid 3 eggs. The next day she laid another one. That made 4.
I'm gonna help you.
The next day she laid 2 more. Now there was 6. After 2 weeks, the birdies hatched. At first, the baby birds were very still and quiet. Then they started to move. When the birds were first born, their eyes were closed. Then one day they opened. Peekaboo, I see you, buddy.
Peekaboo.
The birds stayed in the nest and got bigger and stronger every day. Look, there's the mommy bird. She's gray, and the daddy bird is gray with a red head. It's okay, mommy bird. We don't hurt you, babies. At the end of the first week, the nest was getting very crowded.
Okay, great. We saw the beginning of the bird life cycle. So everybody saw that first. What is the first step? What is the first thing that when the mother is looking for the nest, right? She goes flying and getting all the branches and twigs and stuff. And she makes the nest that we did, right? Then what she lay on the nest? What did she lay on the nest? How do you call this? This is the first part of the bird.
Eggs.
Great job. Yes, the eggs. I love it. Okay, so now look, everybody, in your circle, you're gonna draw a number 1 here. Look, because this is the first part of the bird life cycle. Please, everybody, follow me. You finished, Christina. Okay, now we're gonna do the nest and the egg. We're gonna get the marker, the green marker. Well, not green, let's do brown better. Brown marker. And we're gonna draw the nest like this. Look, please. First you look and then you do it. Yes? Please, Romina and everybody. First you look and then you do it. So nobody makes a mistake. Look, I'm gonna draw my nest like this. Look. And then I'm gonna do the twigs with like little lines like this. So you see, look. This is my nest. So the mother builds the nest and then she lays the eggs, okay? We're gonna draw only one egg. Please use pencil. I cannot really see with pencil, but you guys use pencil, okay? Mr. Ariel, do you have it, sweetie? Do the nest, sweetie. A nest. Then what comes on top of the nest? Ana Sofia? What comes on top in here, Anna? Anna, what comes here? What is the first step? What I have to draw here? Who knows? Yes, Anna, but turn on the audio so I can listen. Very good, Rosalind. What comes here? The egg. So I'm gonna do my egg. Oh, well, I gotta use marker, but you guys use pencil, please. Look at my egg. Very good there, Kelly. Kelly, the egg. Did you do the egg, sweetie?
Net.
Exactly. Very good, Angela. Now you can color the egg yellow. You can color the egg peach. You know what it's peach? Peach is like a skin color. And you can color the egg blue. 3 colors you can use. I like blue.
Teacher.
Yes, my love. Yes, Ariel? Tell me. Tell me, if you have a question, ask me. Look, I'm gonna color my.
Please look. Please look.
Oh, excellent, Anna. Then, in this class, you really have to follow me, please. Very good, Kelly. Eddie, show me. May I see, Eddie? The first one, the egg.
Look.
Excellent, Habla.
Miss.
Very easy. Let me see, Bisam. Let me see, Bisam. Let me see. Oh, nice, Bisam. Great. Great. Rosalind, very good. Okay, now we move on with the number 2. Number 2 will be here. Now, I'm going to show you how to draw. Look. I need everyone, all the microphones off, please. Les voy a enseñar cómo dibujar un pajarito saliendo del huevo. And this is really pretty, and you really have to see. Please pay attention, okay? Look, I am going to draw an oval here. An oval, one day I think Ariel said that an oval es un óvalo. Look at this. Primero, first you see what I do and then you can do it. No hagan nada todavía, okay? Don't do anything, just look. Look, then I'm gonna draw. Dylan Chavarria, please turn off the audio. Look, this is the egg and this is my bird. Look, and then I'm gonna draw the beak, the 2 eyes. Do you see? It's like coming out of the egg. This is my number 2. First, I did an oval. From that oval, I did the egg with a zigzag line here. You see? You see, Ryan? Yes. And then I did the beak and the 2 eyes. And you know, our birds are like punk rockers, you know, they listen to rock. So we do like 3 lines on the top, you see? Excellent, Rosalind. Show me again, sweetie. Rosalind, let me see. Very pretty, very pretty. This is the bird coming out of the egg. So I have to color this part, the shell, and then my bird, okay? My bird is gonna be a little bit brown because that is my bird. But if you want to, you can do it yellow, or you can do it purple, or you can do it pink.
Este pájaro lo podemos hacer de cualquier color.
Yes, the one that you like, my love. Any color. Your favorite color. Very pretty, Ana Sofia. Excellent, Rosalind. Aha, oh, so pretty, Anna. I am not going to color. We do the, al final le hacemos, in the end we do the sun and we do the flowers and everything, okay? But now just like this. And then you color. Ay, my pencil case doesn't want to come. Okay, wait. I have too many colors. Too many things around. Okay, I got my pencil case. So I am gonna color my shell in blue. Blue. Because my shell was blue. And then I'm gonna color my chick yellow. We don't say baby bird, we say chick, okay? So you see it? And the beak is orange, will be orange. So I have the egg. Now, the chick cracked the egg. Aha, very good, Ariel. Chavarria, may I see your work, love? Good morning, Dylan. Show me. Look at the egg and the chick. Let's try to do it.
Look.
Show me, put it closer so I can see. Ay, very pretty, Bisam. You did it so well. Okay, now let's do number 3. Number 3, okay? Here. Here we're missing the, oh, it's almost time. Cannot be. Here we have to do the nest, but we do it later, okay? Very good. Okay, on number 3, what would be in number 3? ¿Qué podemos poner en number 3? What can we do? What comes then? What comes here? The chick with the wings and everything and a little bit of feathers. So again, I am going to draw an oval to do my chick. Chick means baby bird. I do the beak, but now look, I have it like this. How am I gonna do the wings? Así ve. Look, please, everyone, look. Here and here I do the wings. Look, just like we did the ears of the dog. Remember the dog's ears? The 2 eyes like this. And then of course we have to do the nest. We color in the end. Yes, I think it's gonna be better. Hadil, good morning. Hello, Hadil. Sleepy, Hadil. And then we do number 4. In the end, we color, okay? Al final coloreamos, ¿sí? And we do the sun and everything else. But vamos a dibujar. Let's draw first. Now, number 4. ¿Cómo será number 4? Okay, let me see. Joshua. Joshua, I have a question. Turn on your audio, please, Joshua. What is number 4? How would be number 4? A baby bird or an adult? A chick or an adult?
Look.
Very pretty. What will be number 4?
Look.
The adult or the chick? What happened, Eddie? Very good, Kelly. Number 4 is the adult bird, okay? Ya vamos a hacer el adulto. So we have to do it a little bit bigger than this one, okay? And we do again an oval, look, like an egg. We're doing everything from an egg. We do again the wing, but the wings we're gonna do it to the other side, okay? We do the eyes, the beak. Ahí se me quedó de un lado. And then we're gonna draw the wings like this because this bird can fly, okay? Now it's an adult. Yes, Kristen. Ya es un adulto. Now he can fly. Yes. So you see the wings open because he is so ready to fly. Now it is time to do all the rest. The sun. In here I missed the nest. I am sorry. Here we do the nest. Now you can color. Excellent, Kelly. Now it's time to color. We do the sun and the clouds. Remember that clouds are white. I don't know why people color the clouds in blue. Clouds are not blue. Clouds are white. Las nubes no son azules. Clouds are white or gray, but they're not blue.
Maestra, yo no tengo white.
Ah, no, bueno, pero you know what we do? Ajá, le voy a enseñar un trick, a trick. Okay, Leah, look. With my marker, my sky blue marker, to do the sky or the clouds, I drew them with only like this, look. And I leave it white inside. Con el marcador, dibujo la nube, pero la dejo blanca por dentro. Did you understand, Leah? I only draw the clouds with my marker, but I leave it inside white, okay? And then with my orange, I'm gonna do the sun. Okay, great job, love. Great job. But now let's do the sun.
Miss, a donde está el uno lo tenemos que hacer el pajarito volando.
No, number 4. Number 1 is the egg. El ciclo de la vida de un pajarito empieza por el huevo. The life cycle of a bird, it starts by the egg. Aquí todavía no vuela. Here, the bird cannot fly. But here, yes. Number 4 can fly. That's why the wings are open. Porque aquí sí puede volar. Look. Tia, turn on the camera, please.
Yes.
So here we. Okay, let's do the sun. Let's do the sun everywhere. Look, I am not drawing the sun as a circle. I am just putting the sun like this. Look. Very pretty, Rosalind. Let's do the clouds with the blue marker. And if you don't have blue marker, you can use very pretty, Rosalind. If you don't have blue marker, you can use blue pencil or blue crayon. We do the clouds.
Really?
Okay, Dylan, great. Let's continue. Let's do the clouds.
¿Ya terminó?
Yo terminé por alguien no me quiere la cosa. Mamá, ¿dónde se borra esto con marcador?
¿Quién dice que puso tu obra?
What happened?
Sí, mamá.
Tell your sister to lend you the whiteout. Eso que le diste en liquid paper, she must have. Tell her to lend you a little.
Se acabaron minutos.
Thank you, Bisa, I love you. Thank you very much. Guys, you finish coloring? Finish coloring, okay? Guys, thank you, Kristen. That makes me happy. Finish coloring. Y esto tiene que ir en el drawing pad, okay? Very pretty. I love you so much. Oh, that is so pretty, Ana Sofia. Very pretty. I love you so much. Yes. Very pretty. Oh, great. Eddie, you're the best one drawing. Very good. Oh,
el cumpleaños de mi mamá.
very pretty, Manuel. Yes.
Ayer que hoy vamos a comer.
I know.